Hello, today we're talking about decluttering, and the thing we want to talk about today is getting strong at decluttering by exercising our decluttering muscle. Now, the number one thing that I recommend for exercising your decluttering muscle is a very simple 3 times a day, 5-minute exercise called clutter stop. And that's picking it up, not passing it up. Now, you can do this all day long if that's comfortable for you, but at least 3 times a day, I want you to look around, see what needs tidying, stacking, putting away, throwing away. You know, I decluttered my own home this morning. I stacked some things. I put some things away. I'll tell you what I stacked. I stacked my personal usage stuff that's on my table. I put some books back on the shelf. I put some little notebooks away in a cabinet. I threw away a book that I don't need anymore. It was a journal that I don't need anymore. I've used it. It's done. So that is how you exercise your muscle. You do a clutter stop 3 times a day. It may be toys. It may be dishes. It may be clothes. You know, whatever it is, 3 times a day, exercise that muscle. Okay, have a great day.